Adventure awaits all of you future travel ambassadors. If you're watching this right now, then this is me inviting you to apply to be an Elev8Life travel ambassador. Simply click on the website and you will see an application that will take you to where you're able to tell us all about you and we can qualify you to come with us around the world. It's so exciting. There are some guidelines, so I'd love you to click on the guideline tab as well. If you scroll down on that page, you'll see some of the things that we've done. We've taken students to Israel through an organization called Passages to Israel. That is amazing and phenomenal. There are some guidelines for that as well and requirements to even be accepted for that. Also, we've taken students to Europe on serving leader missions, and we plan to go on many, many in future years to come. So we hope you take advantage. Check out the website. Also, you're going to want to visit our other tab. So if you come under resources, you'll see our partner organizations, which we have two. South Florida Revival has partnered with us. They have created a special program just for our students. It's going to meet once a month. The price is ridiculously low. And if you click over here, you will see all the information about the course already. It starts October 29th. It goes all the way to May. We meet once a month on a Saturday night in Hollywood, and they will quickly send you a letter of acceptance that you will need for your Passages application. So that's just in particular to the Passages to Israel trip that you need to be a student. So again, you're going to either need your unofficial transcript that you're already a student, or you're going to become a student through South Florida Revival, however means you want. But I want to draw your attention to this little section right here that gives you all the scoop. There is no time to waste. We have till the end of October, so get signed up. So Passages to Israel, for example, they are looking for 18 to 30-year-old college students. You have to give them a letter of reference. They want to know either if you are currently in school, then you give them a copy of your unofficial transcript. If you're not and you're looking to go to school, like with South Florida Revival, then you would give them a letter of acceptance. And that's it. It's as easy as that. So couple steps. Step one, apply to be an Elev8Life travel ambassador. Fill out the application. It's a $200 application fee. Step two, become a student or show us that you are a student. That would be connecting with South Florida Revival or some ministry school or some other style of education that you're involved in post-high school. Step three, if you're interested in coming to Israel, apply to be a Passages to Israel applicant, which only comes after you've done step one and potentially step two. If you have any further questions, please contact the number that you'll see at the end of this video, and we look forward to traveling with you around the world.